Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a keyboard on your Mac. To add new keyboard language or layout, go to the Apple logo in top left corner, then System Settings, and now go to Keyboard. Now you can go to Input Sources and click on Edit. To add a new keyboard, click on plus here. Then you can select any language that you want. I'm gonna select maybe Chinese simplified, and now you can set it to any layout that you prefer. In this case, I can choose handwriting, pinyin, pin, stroke on Wubi, and I'm gonna select pinyin, add, and done. And now I'm gonna go to the notepad and to switch between keyboards, click here. Then you can switch between them and you can type in them. You can see they show you suggestions, and you can just click on them to click on the number on your keyboard. So it was 1, so I can click on 1 and it works. I can also click on more. I can type in more, for example, that, and it works. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.